Good morning. Once again, mag-i-explain lang po ako about sa promo for this first quarter ng Amani Heritage Mall. So, unang-una po, makikita ninyo, ito po yung ating location. So, sa promo naman po namin, from January to March, sa inventory po namin, special premium ng loan lot. Kapag ka spot cash po, maa-avail po natin yung 20% discount. Loan lot special premium and loan lot premium. So, automatic po yun, may discount na 20%. So, pagdating naman po ng ating Memorial Garden natin is consist of 3 lots. At ganun din po yung ating gardenage. Yung gardenage natin is consist of 4 single lots. At pati na rin po yung ating special family estate and family manor na special premium. Lahat po yung aking nabanggit ay 20% discount spot cash basis. So, dito po tayo sa installment basis or deferred. Meron din po tayong promo dito, 10% off and 0 interest. So, ang mga inventories po na pwede nating ma-avail dito, yung Memorial Garden, gardenage, family estate, family manor, and loan lot. Ito po ay full DT ng ating mga loan lot with monthly amortization of 1,765 for 3 years, 0 interest. So, explain ko lang din po yung ating Memorial Garden. Meron po tayong monthly amortization for 3 years to pay. Monthly niya ay 6,408 at 0 interest. Yun po yung Memorial Garden natin na 3 lots. Pagdating naman po sa ating gardenage, monthly amortization niya is 8,869 at 0 interest po. So, 3 years to pay din po siya. Straight for 3 years na po yung 8,869. So, 4 lots na po yun. Ang atin naman pong special premium ng family estates, which is 12 lots, meron po tayong 3 years to pay din po and 25,683 monthly amortization is straight for 3 years. So doon naman po sa ating pinakamalaking inventory, which is the family manor na consist of 16 lots. Ang monthly amortization po dito is 34,228 at 0 interest, 3 years to pay, and discount of 10%. So, kung meron po kayong mga katanungan, willing naman po ako mag-explain. Just PM lang po, and handa po akong magserbisyo. Salamat po. God bless.